What if you could manage your entire Google Workspace from the terminal? Drive, Gmail, Calendar, Sheets, all of it, through a single command line interface. Now imagine handing that CLI to Claude Code and letting an AI agent handle the heavy lifting for you. That is exactly what we are building today. Google recently open-sourced something genuinely impressive. It is called GWS, the Google Workspace CLI. But this is not your typical command line tool with a hard-coded list of commands. Instead, GWS dynamically builds its entire command surface from Google Discovery Service. That means every API endpoint across Drive, Gmail, Calendar, Sheets, Chat, and the admin APIs is automatically available the moment you install it. When Google ships a new API feature, GWS picks it up without needing any updates. Every response comes back as structured JSON, making it ideal for scripting, automation, and most importantly, AI agents like Claude Code. Let us break down exactly how this works and then put it to serious use. The architecture behind GWS is elegant. When you run a command like WS drive files list, here's what happens under the hood. First, WS identifies the target service from your first argument. Then it fetches the discovery document for that service, which is a JSON schema describing every available endpoint, parameter, and response type. These documents get cached for 24 hours, so subsequent calls are instant. From that schema, GWS builds a complete command tree with full help text, parameter validation, and type checking. You get autocomplete, dry run previews, and detailed error messages, all generated dynamically from the live API specification. The real power here is scope. GWS covers over 40 Google Workspace APIs. If Google has a REST API for it, GWS can call it. Drive, Gmail, Calendar, Sheets, Docs, Chat, Admin, Cloud Identity, all of them. And every response comes back as clean, parsable JSON. No HTML scraping, no guessing at field names. Just consistent, machine-readable data that scripts and AI agents can work with immediately. Now that you understand the architecture, let us get GWS installed and authenticated so we can start running real commands against your workspace. Installing GWS takes one command. Run npm install -g at Google Workspace/CLI, and you are ready. There are also pre-built binaries on the GitHub releases page, a cargo install option for Rust users, and a Nix flake for NixOS. Once installed, you need to authenticate. The fastest path is GWS Auth Setup, which walks you through connecting a Google Cloud project. You will need a GCP project with the appropriate Workspace APIs enabled. GWS supports multiple authentication methods: OAuth for interactive terminal use, service accounts for server-to-server automation, pre-obtained tokens for CI pipelines, and G-Cloud CLI integration if you already have that configured. For a quick start, run GWS Auth Login and complete the browser-based OAuth flow. Your credentials are encrypted and stored locally. One important note, if your OAuth app is in testing mode, you are limited to about 25 scopes. The recommended preset includes 85 scopes, so you may want to move to production mode for full coverage. Now let us see GWS in action with real commands. Here's where GWS really shines. Every command follows the same intuitive pattern. GWS, then the service, then the resource, then the method. Want to list your recent drive files? GWS drive files list with a page size parameter. Need to create a new spreadsheet? GWS Sheets. Spreadsheets create with a JSON body containing the title. The dry run flag is incredibly useful during development. It shows you exactly what HTTP request GWS would send without actually executing it. Perfect for debugging automation scripts before they go live. Auto-pagination is built in natively. Add the page all flag, and GWS follows every pagination token automatically, streaming results as newline delimited JSON. You can pipe this directly into JQ for filtering and transformation. File uploads work natively too. GWS handles multi-part uploads, so you just point it at a local file and specify the metadata. The structured JSON output means you never parse HTML or wrestle with inconsistent response formats. Every field, every error, every piece of metadata arrives in a predictable, machine-readable structure that is ready for programmatic consumption. The CLI is powerful on its own, but what happens when you hand it to an AI agent that can reason about the results and chain commands together? This is where things get genuinely interesting. Claude Code is Anthropic's AI coding agent that runs directly in your terminal. It reads files, writes code, executes shell commands, and critically, it can use any CLI tool installed on your system, including GWS. Here's the key insight that makes this combination powerful. Because GWS outputs structured JSON, Claude Code can parse and reason about every result immediately. No scraping, no regex hacks, no brittle string parsing, just clean data flowing in, intelligent decisions flowing out. Let us start simple. You ask Claude to find all spreadsheets in your drive that were modified this week. Claude constructs the GWS command with the right query syntax, parses the JSON response, filters by modification date, and presents a clean summary, but it goes further than simple queries. You can ask Claude to share a document with a colleague, and it will look up the file ID from the previous results, then call the Drive Permissions API to grant access. Claude chains the GWS commands together automatically, using output from one call as input for the next. The structured JSON makes this chaining completely seamless. Now let us look at real-world automation that combines Claude Code with GWS for multi-step workflows. First, consider the weekly report workflow. You tell Claude to pull data from a tracking spreadsheet, summarize the key metrics, draft a summary email in Gmail, and create a calendar event for the team review meeting. Claude orchestrates all 4 steps through sequential GWS commands, never leaving the terminal. What normally takes 15 minutes of clicking through web UIs happens in about 10 seconds. Second, the document organizer. Ask Claude to scan your drive for files matching certain naming patterns, create a shared folder structure, and move everything into the right directories. Claude queries the Drive API, creates folders, and batch moves files with the correct permissions. Third, the meeting prep assistant. Claude pulls your upcoming calendar events for the week, cross-references related documents in Drive by searching file names and content, then creates a briefing document with links to everything you need for each meeting. The pattern across all of these is always the same: natural language request in, GWS command execution, JSON parsing, intelligent next action, and final summary back to you. For developers who want to push this further, there are several advanced patterns worth exploring. First, GWS ships with over 40 agent skills, which are pre-built workflows for common tasks like organizing drive folder hierarchies, managing Gmail labels and filters, or batch updating spreadsheet ranges. You can install these skills directly into Claude Code and other AI agent platforms, giving your agent specialized operational knowledge about Google Workspace best practices. Second, you can compose GWS with other CLI tools to build powerful data pipelines. Pipe drive file listings into JQ for filtering, use Zargs for batch processing, or chain GWS with Git to automatically sync documents with version-controlled repositories. The structured JSON output makes Unix-style composition natural and reliable. Third, service account authentication enables GWS in headless environments. Picture a GitHub action that updates a project tracking spreadsheet whenever a pull request is merged, or a cron job that pulls calendar data and sends daily digest emails through Gmail automatically. The key realization is that GWS transforms every Google Workspace API into a scriptable, composable command line interface. Combine that with Claude Code's ability to reason about data, plan multi-step operations, and handle errors gracefully, and you have a genuinely powerful workspace automation platform. The Google Workspace CLI is open source and available right now on GitHub at Google Workspace/CLI. Install it with a single npm command, authenticate with your Google account, and start running Workspace commands in under 5 minutes. If you are already using Claude Code, you have everything you need. Just install GWS on your system and start asking Claude to manage your entire workspace from the terminal. The agent skills are available in the repository for even more powerful pre-built workflows. If this kind of AI-powered developer tooling and automation is what you are into, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We cover the latest in AI agents, automation pipelines, and the tools that are changing how developers work. Drop a comment below and tell us what Google Workspace workflow you want to automate first. That is GWS plus Claude Code, a complete command line interface to your entire Google Workspace, powered by an AI agent that can think, plan, and execute multi-step operations autonomously. Until next time, keep building.